Filipinos can get very creative during the Christmas season. Just look at this Christmas lantern made out of coconut leaves and husk. Ingenious! But how about giving that holiday creativity a beautiful twist? Fancy hanging your favorite lipstick on your Christmas tree? Here's how you do it. Gather the empty tubes of your depotted lipstick and use a modeling clay as your fall lipstick. Then decorate the tube using art papers, ribbons, and other craft materials. And there you go, a possible theme for your Christmas tree this year. Quick yet fantastic. Same words I'd like to use to describe this daytime holiday look. Let's make some effortless loose curls for that beautiful but not so put together hairstyle. Gather small sections of hair and curl from the mid part, leaving a few inches of the tip free from curling. Curl your hair in different directions. For the base, I'm mixing two products with light consistency. SK2's Illumination Aura Essence for that blooming glow, and a Etude House Bright Fit BB Cream for light coverage and sun protection. For the foundation, first I'm using Revlon Color Stay in my shade and applying that on the middle area of my face. Focus on the highlight points and blend seamlessly. This tends to dry and settle fast, so you gotta work fast with this product. Next, get the darker shade of foundation and put it on your contour points. This enhances our face's natural dimension and gives off a subtle contour. Since this is a daytime holiday look, we need a heavy-duty concealer that can last the whole day. I'm brightening the under eye area and highlighting my cheeks as well, and putting whatever's left on my nose line and my chin. Pat the product on and blend it seamlessly. Now that we're done with our base makeup, we can go to our brows. I'm using my favorite brow pencil from Etude House and applying it with light feathery strokes. Further blending it using the spoolie at the other end, and filling in the space and setting the pencil with a Sigma brow powder. Next, prep and prime your lid. I'm using Makeup Revolution I Heart Eye Primer. And before putting your eyeshadow, try to set your concealer and put a little extra on the under eye to easily brush off any fall off later. For the eyes, I'm going to do an all matte, simple yet classy eye look. Picking up the light brown from the iconic Pro palette and softly applying that onto my eye socket. With a finer brush, I'm delicately packing on the light brown color onto my crease. Using a fluffy brush, I'm carefully blending the dark brown upwards. Next, I'm reapplying the eye primer on the central part of the lid. Then packing this vanilla colored powder on top of the primer. Then I'm tight lining my eyes using my favorite gel liner from LA Girl. Then smudging and blending and extending my eye line a little bit further. I added a pop of gold using this creamy pencil from Markwins. Then lining my eyes as close to the lash line using this liquid liner. And to finish this look, girls, you know the drill. Focus, stop breathing, and do your best cat eye line. I slightly intensify the crease line by blending in black powder and applying the same thing on the outer third of the lower eye line. And finally setting the gold line with a gold powder. We are almost done with the eye makeup. Just pop on some falsies, mascara, and curl your lashes. And I am done. I'm not really a fan of harsh contouring, so I'm using this very natural shade of contour powder from Etude House. By the looks of it, obviously it's my favorite. Then brushing this matte coral blush on my cheeks. Then applying this iridescent peach tone powder from the same palette on my highlight points. For that full-on Christmas vibe, rock them red lips. I align my lips for definition, and finally, it's Ruby Woo time. And perfecting my lip with precision using this lip brush. Fortunately, no fall off, so I'm simply brushing off the excess translucent powder and spraying to my heart's content using the setting spray from Makeup Revolution. This is my quick, classic, fantastic daytime holiday look, and for the nighttime look, I have a little surprise. Everybody, meet my mama! I'm so glad that she agreed to do this video with me, because for me, the essence of Christmas is celebrating it with your family. And who deserves this holiday makeover more than your mom? So let's give our moms a time off the kitchen and treat her like a queen. Our moms have prepared years and years of Noche Buena. And in my family, actually my dad helps a lot too. And through the years, we may have not noticed, but our parents are not as strong as before, not as sharp as before. They are actually getting older. When I received these anti-aging products from SK2, I thought it would be perfect for my mom. Oh, in case you're wondering what I'm doing to my mom's face, that's a cotton pad soaked in Pitera essence, letting that sit on her face while I do her hair. Did you know that parting your hair in the middle can add 10 years to your look? I parted my mom's hair to the side and started curling her hair. Again, taking little sections of hair and curling them, this time tightly. For this look, for now, I want it tight and bouncy. Next, I'm using this moisturizer from SK2's RNA line. Moisturizing the skin is very necessary because every day we lose moisture, and as we age, we lose our skin's elasticity. Moisturizer plus facial massage, your mom will make pancakes for you in the morning. Next, I'm getting a teeny tiny amount of eye cream and massaging that on her under eye and eyelid area. For the foundation, I mixed the two shades to match her skin color. I also added a little bit of Illumination Aura Essence to make the finish a little bit dewy, because dewy skin looks younger and more fresh. Here, I'm just brightening her under eye area and as usual highlighting her nose line and chin. Next part is the most important part for her. As people grow older, everything sags and goes down, so having a nice and lifted eyebrow gives an instant rejuvenating effect. Seems like she's happy with her brows. Next, we're setting everything with this bentonite translucent powder, and again putting a little extra on the under eye to protect the foundation from eyeshadow fall off. Next, of course, we have to prime the lids. When applying eye makeup to mature women, it helps when you lift the eye area a little. First, I put the brown transition shade, and now I'm packing this dark plum color, blending them together and darkening the outer corner. Then I'm layering a light champagne color on the center of the lid. I'm using LA Girl gel liner to line her eyes, and I will just smudge it later. To further define her eyes, I lined her lower waterline with a gray gel liner, and putting a light eyeshadow on her inner corner. Working with satin eyeshadows has a higher chance of fall off, so I just swept that away and did the other eye. Short and straight lashes is into jeans, so we needed a little help from our friendly falsies. Next, contouring her nose to make it look sharper. Contouring and sculpting her jawline, especially her double chin. If you put the blush on the apple of the cheek and relax your face, it will go down, so we usually put the blush a little bit higher. My mom's lips are thin and definitely needs definition, so I chose this mauve lip liner that matches her lip color to fill in her lips. My mom tends to like brownish lipsticks, but that would just make her look older. So for today, since I'm her makeup artist, I painted her lips a youthful pink. Final touches for the hair. If you want to achieve big waves, all you need to do is to curl the hair tightly, then comb through it to manipulate its form. Here's a before and after. And the final touch, setting spray to make the makeup last the whole night. This is the final night holiday makeup look and my mom's official debut on YouTube. How about giving your mom a makeover too? I'd like to see that.
Happy holidays from our family to yours.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Ang satap na kayo na to. O saba? Ang natawa na to. Nagkatawanan. Okay na to? Good job. Wala yan. Sige, tanawa na yung myself. Tanawa yung madaot. Sige lang din. Malayo man ka, ano? Okay. Ay, napaisa! Ano ka? Wala yung kwintas, wala yung kwintas. Ay, okay, ang neckline ba? Gipalitan, giplano na lang ako.
Okay.
Ha?